Hey, what's up everyone? I got another speed edit for you guys. This one is Jurassic Park themed and it's for Russick Park on Instagram. Let's go ahead and get into it. First, I cut out my images using a combination of the pen tool and the lasso tool. Next, I refine my mask with the brush tool. To keep my image somewhat close to what I had in mind, I sketched out an idea on paper, then I transferred my sketch to a separate layer in Photoshop. That way I could use it as a guide. Next, I start to really give the image some body and texture by overlaying stock images into the areas I painted. I constrain my layers to only show where I painted in forms like mountains by creating a layer above my mountain paintings, and then right-clicking and create a clipping mask. This ensures that the photos I drop in only show within the mountain forms I painted. Next, I adjust lighting and coloring to match better. You saw me doing that with the mountains I overlaid. I do this kind of throughout the whole process anyway, but that's kind of what's going on in the video. I'm also adding more textures to the concrete barrier behind the truck so it's not so clean. I'm also doing more mask refining or getting to areas I hadn't quite cut out yet. Next, let's turn on these lights and add some more glow because, well, I think it looks cool. To make it look even more believable, I very deliberately paint some light on the rocks to make the lighting more accurate. Some final touches with texture overlays, camera raw filter, and there you go. Originally, I was going to throw a giant gate to the park behind it, but I thought a nice view of the island mountains would look more interesting. Let's throw in some happy pterodactyls in the air to further place us into the Jurassic world. Maybe some birds to draw the eye to the left side of the picture. Again, more camera raw filter and texture overlays, and that's the end. Sorry for the difference in audio quality. I'm currently in the process of selling my house and the family and I are now living somewhere else. Starting to build out my studio setup now, so I'm still kind of experimenting with audio settings to see what I like. Anyway, if you've enjoyed the video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate the help. That's it, and I'll see you all in the next video.